What's up, everybody? We are back with a new video, and in my last video I did open up 3 of these Majorette Tune Ups, and I bought them just because I couldn't find any new Hot Wheel mainlines, no premiums, and I even can't find Matchbox mainlines or Matchbox opening parts or something else. But to be honest, I really enjoyed opening these things up. So I went back to the toy store, and as you can see, they still had 4 more of these tune-ups for the reduced price, 50% off. So normally you pay €7 and I paid €3.50, which is kind of okay in my opinion. If you are not familiar with these Majorette tune-ups, it's kind of a, let's say, surprise box, so you don't know what car is inside. And yeah, the special thing about these is they come with kind of tuning parts and some stickers and a collector's box, which is not too exciting. This is, as you can see here, it says Series 1, so these are older. I think these are from 21 or 2022, I'm not really sure. But to be honest, I don't really care. I really enjoyed opening these, so today we are opening up 4 more of them. I hope you enjoyed my last video. I'll put a link to that in the description down below. So last time I did find, this is the flyer, by the way, or the poster that comes with these boxes. And last time I did find the Toyota Hiace Adventure Race, the Suzuki Jimny Backpacker, and guess what? I found the ultra rare one, the Toyota GT86 Hachiroko. So now I'm really excited what I will find this time. I hope, or I'm hoping for this Golf Apex Carver, this Red Look Golf, or maybe the highest smoking Ace, or the Euros. So we will see. With that said, I would say let's get started with the first one. Cut this thing open. So there we go. Here is our this blue plastic thing here is our collector's box. So let's see. Okay, we get this guy here, which is is that another series? So let's take a look at the flyer. No, it's the same series. The Raptor, is it this one, the Cross Racer? Or is it this one? Okay, let's see. I think we'll have to check out the a lot of plastic wrapping. So let's get rid of that. So let's take a look at the tuning parts. So here's our a green body kit, and so we also get a motorcycle and some stickers, which I will surely not put on this thing. To make it easy, we take a look at our plastic pin or whatever that is, and it says it's a rare one. So okay, here it is. I didn't see this one. It's the F-150 Raptor. Okay, so there we go. As you can see, it comes with an opening hood and green tinted windows and towage. So let's put on our body kit and our motorcycle. There we go. Like most of the Majorette models, it comes with a little bit of suspension. It's not too much, but anyways. By the way, this is the collector's box. The problem with this thing is, by the way, yeah, well, it fits in with all the stuff. Okay, but anyways, you can't close it or anything. I don't know if this is really useful, but anyways, let's put this to the side. Here's our Raptor, and we go on with the second one. So this Raptor wasn't the model that I expected, but anyways, it's better than to have any of these models twice. So let's see. Oh, there we go. And oh yeah, really cool. It's the Volkswagen Golf. Let's see. Oh, I think it's the super rare one. And that is really cool. Really, really cool. So let's open up the tuning parts. Oops. There we go. So this is the Volkswagen Golf Apex Carver, which is really cool. Told you at the beginning that I really wanted to have this one. So let's see. Yeah. I'm not a really huge fan of these tuning parts. I'm more after the cars. And as you can see, they come with these, whatever you call that, wheel toppings or something. You can put them onto the wheels. I won't do that. I don't think it does look really good. On the last model I put these on, it didn't roll anymore. So yeah, but really cool that I found the Golf version. Really, really nice. See, it comes with purple tinted windows. Let's see. There's our plastic pin. The stickers, by the way, are the same as the ones that came with the Raptor. Let's put these to the side. And yeah, still 2 more to go. I have to say I really enjoy this. It's really fun. It's been quite a while since it was the last time I bought some Majorettes, and we get another Raptor. this thing feels heavy. So this is, as you can see right here, one of the cool cars. So these are the more common cars. It's the Hyper Lifter. Let's take a look at our poster. It's this one here. Let's open up the tuning parts. So basically, oops. Basically, it's yeah, the same body kit that that come with the other Raptor. As you can see, you have the opening hood, which is kind of cool, and I really like the livery on this one. I think it's a better livery compared with the other guy. So here's our tuning kit, and here's our bike. There we go. So yeah, really cool so far. We get a common one, which are the cool ones. We get a rare one, and we do have a super rare one. And yeah, I'm really excited about this one. So now only one tune up model left. So yeah, we don't waste any time. We get right into it. And what do we have? Oh, what is this? It's a cool one, but it looks really good. It's the Renault Megane RS Mega Shock. So it's one of the cool ones, but as you can see, it comes in this Bilstein deco, which is really cool. I love the blue rims, by the way. And it seems like it has an opening hatch. Comes with a blue interior. Yeah, so also a really cool one. So it's kind of funny. I really or let's say let's get out the tuning part first. Oh, it comes with these rubber tire things. There we go. Let's clean up the mess a little bit. So all of them came, as you can see. No, they're not exactly the same stickers. So we had 3 times this type of stickers and 1 time this type of stickers. But to be honest, I don't really care. I really enjoyed opening these more than I thought. So let's put on our tuning kit. Well, once again, I think these models do look better without these parts, but you know, everyone has a different taste, and I think especially for children, it's kind of a funny thing to put on these tuning parts. Once again, this model comes with these rubber tire toppers or whatever you call that. You can stick them onto the wheels. I don't do that because, in my opinion, it doesn't look too good, and they don't roll anymore. So yeah, I think these tune-up models from Majorette, I think it's, you know, it's kind of a cool idea, but I think €7, you know, I already mentioned it in the last video. I think it's a lot of money, and that I wouldn't buy them for €7. I think it's too much, because normally you get kind of a basic car with some really cheap plastic parts. So yeah, well, yeah. Not to forget the collector's box, but you know, I don't know. Anyways, that are our 4 tune-up models for today. I hope you did enjoy, or hope you did enjoy watching this video. That's it for today. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.